Italian gelato is a beloved frozen dessert that has captivated the taste buds of people around the world. Renowned for its creamy texture, intense flavors, and artful presentation, Italian gelato is a delightful treat that embodies the essence of Italian craftsmanship and culinary expertise. The origins of gelato can be traced back to ancient Rome, where a predecessor called gelata was enjoyed by the elite class. However, it was during the Renaissance period in Italy that gelato truly began to evolve into the beloved dessert we know today. Italian artisans and chefs started experimenting with new techniques and flavors, refining the art of gelato making and elevating it to a culinary masterpiece. What sets Italian gelato apart from other frozen desserts is its distinct characteristics. Unlike traditional ice cream, gelato has a lower fat content, which gives it a smoother and denser texture. This is achieved by using a higher proportion of milk to cream in the base, resulting in a more velvety and luxurious mouthfeel. Another key aspect of Italian gelato is the careful selection and quality of ingredients. Italian gelato makers take pride in sourcing the finest and freshest ingredients available. Fresh fruits, premium chocolates, nuts, and spices are just some of the ingredients used to create a wide array of flavors that cater to every palate. The process of making authentic Italian gelato is a labor of love that requires skill, precision, and patience. Gelato artisans start by preparing a base mixture known as crema, which consists of milk, sugar, and stabilizers. This mixture is then heated, pasteurized, and aged to develop the flavors. Once the base is ready, it is churned in a gelato machine, which incorporates air and prevents the formation of ice crystals, resulting in a smooth and creamy consistency. During the churning process, various flavorings and ingredients are added, such as pureed fruits, chocolate chips, nuts, or extracts, to create a myriad of delicious flavors. Italian gelato offers an extensive range of flavors to cater to every taste preference. From classic flavors like chocolate, vanilla, and strawberry, to more exotic combinations like pistachio, hazelnut, and tiramisu, there is something to tempt every gelato enthusiast. The flavor profiles are often bold and intense, as Italian gelato makers strive to capture the true essence of each ingredient. Presentation is another crucial aspect of Italian gelato. Gelato artisans take great care in crafting visually stunning displays that are as appealing to the eyes as they are to the taste buds. The gelato is skillfully scooped or molded into elegant shapes, and it is often garnished with fresh fruits, nuts, chocolate drizzles, or delicate sugar decorations. The final presentation is a work of art that showcases the dedication and craftsmanship of the gelato maker. Italian gelato is not just a dessert, it is a cultural experience. Gelato shops, known as gelaterias, can be found on every street corner in Italy, serving as gathering places for locals and tourists alike. The atmosphere is vibrant and inviting, with the tantalizing aroma of freshly made gelato filling the air. It's a place where people come to indulge in the sheer pleasure of savoring a scoop or two of their favorite flavors, often enjoyed in a crispy cone or a cup. Whether you're strolling through the bustling streets of Rome, exploring the canals of Venice, or savoring gelato in a picturesque Tuscan village, the experience of enjoying Italian gelato is truly magical. It's a sensory delight that brings joy and satisfaction with every spoonful. In conclusion, Italian gelato is a masterpiece of frozen desserts, encapsulating the passion and artistry of Italian culinary traditions. From its creamy texture and intense flavors to its visually stunning presentations, Italian gelato is a treat for both the palate and the eyes. So, the next time you have the opportunity to indulge in this delightful dessert, savor each spoonful and immerse yourself in the enchanting world of Italian gelato.